Alright, good morning, guys. Takes me a while to set up everything. AAJ already to it telling me, hey, look at these stocks right here. So let me look at mine real quick and then I was compare what you guys have. So I got HPCO. It looks like you got that. Peggy still up there. ADTX. You got ADTX and you got PPSI. Don't have PPSI. So let me see. But I need some music first. I need some música first. Man, Spy cannot catch a bounce. Spy just cannot catch a break. Like this thing just gets slammed down, slammed down, slammed. Who's Mr. G on my lives? Mr. G. Up, there's Rafiki 2 over there. What's my Instagram, bro? It should be the same thing. Juan Traits, let me see, but it might be a little weird. Nope, Juan Traits underscore whatever that is. So Juan Traits underscore. Alright, I was gonna do something though. Oh yeah, here. Alright, let's do this. Platform, Thinkorswim. Already with the same questions. But let's see, let's do this team. Let's do this team. So first on the list was HPCO. Now I think HPCO, I think actually HPCO is one of my biggest losing tickers all year long. Or maybe it was just last month or recently. Um, and I know exactly the trade that I took on this one. Actually, when did this one hit $41? Anyways, 389 high on HPCO. Looking for $4, and oh my gosh, this daily looks bad. This daily looks bad on HPCO. How much have I made so far? Just sat down. Market has not opened. Hey AJ, bro, your tradecaster playing old video on live. What the heck? Hold on. How the heck did that happen? There we go. What the heck? Hey AJ, awesome man. Thanks for telling me. Dude, what the heck? How did that happen? That was awesome. Agent, how long have you been trading? I've been trading for 2 or 3 years. Alright, good morning, guys. Now I can say good morning. Dude, I bet I could play a recording every morning like that and just say good morning to everybody so I don't have to actually say, hey, AJ, thanks for letting me know, though. What's your goal on your day-to-day earnings? I don't really have one. I just trade the setups, trade what I see, and keep going at it until I don't like the stocks anymore. But today, HPCO, it looks good. I don't like the daily on this thing. This thing, I mean, I just don't like the daily on this thing. So we'll see how it goes. 200 moving average at 6.7, but I mean, it's just so being down. I put a couple lines, but these are some that I'm not that confident in. So we'll just see how it goes. So HPCO, okay, that was the number one gapper. Um, Let me see. And then we got, what was the second one? Peggy's still up here. Oh my gosh, Peggy finally decides to open up. 625 high today on Peggy. Finally getting out of this 200 moving average. I think Peggy has worked so hard to get over this 200 moving average. There's a lot of shorts in here, but you know that might also mean that that we might actually get a nice squeeze if this one actually decides to go. So high of yesterday was 521, which is pretty low from where we are. It's almost a whole dollar. So I don't know that I really like that, but we'll see. And I guess you have this low of pre-market down here, 565-ish. Let me look at older time frames and see what I see. So I got $5, I got 579. Oh, that's where that one's getting it from. 578. And then target I'm looking at 705. Alright, so I like that. 578 support on this one, and then 579 high. As I was saying before I was playing a recording, is that SPY cannot catch a bounce, man. SPY just cannot catch a bounce. Rob Melanie, good morning. To Mimi, I'm good. Good, thanks, and you? Oh, you get saying morning to each other. Oh, awesome. Good morning to y'all watching from Greece, Europe. Nice. What time is it over there? I heard PPI number sucked. Just my opinion. Dio, the move I feel was moving pre-market. Now after 8:30, it's gonna fall. Yeah, I have a feeling Peggy's gonna do that. The other stock was ADTX though. Let me look at ADTX. This one also kind of wanted to go. I think this morning was a gapper. Oh, this is that one stock that can't even get a bounce at all. This one's tried to go on twice, but just could not. So this morning spiked up to 377. Yeah, I mean this one needs to get over $4 for it to be pretty interesting. Yeah, I even have an alert up there. You don't like news today? Who is Mr. G on my lives from my Discord? Who's Mr. G? Mr. G. I don't know if you watch on Tradecaster or YouTube or where you watch at. All active trader sidebars are grayed out and rearranged using flex layout and thicker certain dots. Oh, Mr. G said he's not. I didn't see that message. Oh, okay. Well, I'll take your word for it. Good morning, Wade Zay. What about? All active trader sidebars are grayed. I have no idea what that means, man. If they're all grayed out. Let me look through previous stocks and see anything. I'm not really liking a lot of stuff. Peggy looks good, but it's a little too high now. I'm not going to trade dice. Not this one. Joby completely failed that one day. Lace from yesterday. Oh, now you decide to show my trades. Now it decides to show my buys and sells. I tried to get it to show like for 10 minutes straight yesterday, and I could not get it. APRN also pretty beaten down. Lace pretty beaten down. FNHC, this one's the one that Zach kept trying for yesterday. iLag is one that we tried getting this one to squeeze a long time ago with volume. Oh, you greedy. And we could not get. Good morning, everybody. Andres, the trader, John, Ape Trades, Chicago Sid, HPCO. Yeah, that one's not bad actually. I just don't like the daily on that one, but we'll keep an eye on it. iLag is one that we tried getting a big squeeze on this one. Look at the daily time frame a while ago with volume and just got shorted and pushed down. And then now that we don't have volume on this thing, it's just been gliding straight up. iLag. This one has highs of all time 26, which is still pretty low, but you know, we got 553 previous high and 728. I don't expect this one to do anything crazy, but we will see. We do have a high on that one yet. There. HPCO. So HPCO, you know, I like this 1 minute time frame, but then if you look at the daily, it's like, where's your next line? Like I'm not so confident on these daily lines to the left. Like it's just so being down. I'm not sure. Loving your course one, constantly learning something new. Awesome, man. Awesome, awesome. Yeah. If you need any help or anything, since you're part of the course, you're my priority way to say. I think I've mentioned that several times. But let me know if you have any questions, man. And like I said, I have 3 videos. I started watching them yesterday, and I need to edit them. And those 3 videos are pretty good too, so I need to add them in there. And I'll send an announcement on that private Discord for all of you guys when those 3 videos are posted. But I appreciate that, man. John, nice. Thanks. Joseph, good morning. How to anything, good morning. Ride the Lightning, good morning. So HPCO, Peggy, ADTX so far. Let me keep looking through these stocks. iLag, just kind of a grinder. Seed, good morning. Is that Sam Snead? Are you on YouTube this today? APDN, kind of still holding. APDN putting alert over $2. See if that one pops back up. SNTI, trying to make it a move yesterday. This one's being down a lot, so we'll just put an alert way up here for this one in the future. Sober, trying to make it a run again. This is the one that I thought could at least get a run, but now it's back down to all this support. If you know, I am not good at buying daily support lines, but Sober through this area here of 250s, it just has not cracked it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days cannot get under 250. Like to 233 and popped back up, and then again 245, 247 today and popping back up. IMUX squeezed to new highs yesterday. You know, this one could have a little bit more to run. I don't know where this one's going next though. We would just be looking for higher days on IMUX. Just looking for higher days, I guess. It's crazy to think this stock was literally at $5 the first time we saw it and just would not do anything. And then yesterday just grinded all day. Mercer, good morning. Juan, the screen that we see with the 3 charts on it is a monitor you have of what size? The screen you see with 3 charts on it is a monitor of... Like, my main monitor? Because you guys see exactly what I see now on Tradecaster and YouTube. I don't trade crypto, no. I don't know that I'll trade the dip on Peggy off the open. I'm guessing you're talking about my main monitor. 32 inches. That's my main one, yeah. So we got under 3 minutes. Joseph, what size monitor do you... What? Somebody just asked the same thing. Yeah, 32. That's my main one. And that is... Well, not my biggest because I have an ultra wide one up here. But I don't like that one. I have a normal size one, 19... Whatever the scale is. 1920 or 1080 on my main one. Because I also play video games and stuff. And when I play video games on the ultra wide one, it just messes stuff, everything. Oh, I thought... Yeah. So 32s. Let me see. More stocks. We got 2 minutes until open. ABEO tried making a pop yesterday. ABEO kind of over the 200 moving average, but this one also lacking volume. How big is my ultra wide one? I have no idea. $49 inches. I don't know. Let me see if I can look it up real quick. No, I'm not gonna find this one. I can check it on my computer, but hold on. I don't know how big it is. I don't know that. I don't think it's 49. Good morning, Brad. Good morning. How many monitors do you use for trading? I got one, two, three, four. Four plus my laptop, which is where I monitor my chat. Okay, market's about to open in a minute, so let me see. FNGR. FNGR has still been in that range on the daily. On FNGR. So FNGR definitely a watch if this one decides to break to the top side. I think we can go up to that new high of 925 on FNGR. So actually, this one's pretty good high watch too. As far as the open, HPCO or Peggy, but I don't expect those things to run like crazy. Tops completely failed. ATXG, same thing. Mods never did anything. You know, I'm not liking a lot of stuff today. I guess we can look at Peggy off the open. We're moving past that 200 moving average, but any dip on this one, it's pretty low. It's like $1 low, so I'm not that excited. Quite slow pre-market, yeah. Oh, yeah, no, yours is way longer than mine. Holy crap, Ape Trades. Yours is way longer than mine. I had a love-hate relationship with Peggy yesterday. Dude, I knew exactly the move Peggy needed to put in yesterday, and it never did it, so I was a little bit salty about it. Yep. Alright, so what are we watching at the open? HPCO or Peggy, one of these two here. Shoot, Spy just, I don't know if Spy is going to go straight to new lows today. Like, that is just incredible. Peggy cannot hit a high. HPCO kind of at VWAP right now. My stop got executed even though, no. If you had a stop and got executed but price never went to it, it could have been that it was really close to it or you had the wrong order in. Well, Peggy decides to go after all. Peggy decides to finally get some volume momentum and rip. Zach, APN has a daily inside candle to watch later on in the day. There's Aunt Peggy. Here goes Aunt Peggy again. Peggy up 630% in 5 days. This one's crazy, I know. You know, I don't really want to take a trade here. 625 bounce up to 650, but you know, this one might just keep on running. You know, now I don't know what to expect from this one. I was so confident on getting a break of 5 yesterday, and now we're sitting at 6.4. That's just how it goes sometimes. We could look for a bounce up to 650 here, so let's take a look here. Let's see what happens. You'd have to get a pretty decent bounce, and I don't want this thing to completely fail. Yep, that was just a small micro pullback. There it is, up to 650. What would your stop get triggered if it was really close but didn't hit the price exactly? You could have put a different order. If you put a limit order, anything above it could get triggered, or you could have put the wrong stop. You maybe put a market order, or you thought you put a stop. I don't know. I don't know, man. Oh my gosh, Peggy. Why do they do this, man? HPCO, you're trying to see if you could. What the heck, man? Straight up to $7. Like, straight up from $6 to $7 in 2 minutes of the open. What's up, The Awakened One? Juancito is rich, rich, rich. What's up, Hanks? I guess the love-hate relationship with Peggy continues, right, Joseph? You know, there's so much money to be made in the stock market, but when you get a stock to open up like this, you can chase it, but that's risky, and I'm not doing that, so... First day in a long time, no pre-market trades. I see it. Nice, John. Nice. Way to be patient, though. The only one I could have seen was Peggy with a 578 daily resistance, but it just kept going. Spy, dump, dump, dump. What's new? Spy going down to 200s. Man, bears are eating this year. What indicators do you use? 9, 20, and VWAP. That's it. Let me move this over real quick. See if anything is popping up on Momentum Scanner. Only Peggy. Peggy is the only one. We could see if Peggy wants to have low volume pullbacks here or even flag down to 625. Looks like Peggy wants to make the moves today now, so we'll see what it does here. Like if it gives us a dip trade here under 650, pick up some shares. Look at this low volume candle here on Peggy so far. Oh, we got 30 seconds left still. ADTX, is that the one you said the inside bar candle, Zach? ADTX or APDN? Why do they all have to sound so similar? Because ADTX is the one trying to make a pushback up. This 1 minute candle here on Peggy, super low volume. Holding 650 with super low volume. APDN. Okay, so not ADTX. Maybe kind of expecting a little bit of a flag pattern here now on this one. Probably should have gone that dip there. Let's see if we get another one down to that 625 on what is this stock? Peggy. Peggy, maybe 625 dip. Let me put APDN on the side then. APDN. Oh, APDN actually, yeah, I already see it popping up, Zach. If we get over 2.3, we're looking at a high of 238. I actually really don't mind Peggy if we get that dip back. Something is halted. HKD is halted. Wow. That 625 dip on this one actually might not be bad. And this is gonna be. Oh, actually, this is already a new 5-minute candle. PPSI not bad either. HKD halt. I saw that. I don't have PPSI on my scanner. APDN straight up to highs. So APDN just straight up to highs. This one has a high of 238, I think. 238 high on this one. On APDN. 238. Yeah, 238 and 23 is going to be a very nice pivot on this one. Peggy, I'm still looking for that dip down to like 625-ish if you can snag one real quick. Getting a little stuffed on APDN, so I'm going to put it here so I can keep an eye on it a little bit better, and I'm still looking at Peggy. So Peggy and APDN both on high watch. Looking at Peggy to see if we get some dips here. I want that candle to pull back, give me a nice dip. This one looks like it wants to go for another run, but I want that good entry on it. Small add on Peggy, see if we get that little bit of a bigger flush on it and I can add more. But this one might end up ripping all the way up to 7 and I want to catch a piece of that. See if we do get that open up. Seems like it wants to go, can't really go yet. Gonna pull down on me here. Not out of this trade yet. I want a lower add hopefully on this one. Still looking at Peggy. I want to see if we can get a low add on this one and then see if we anticipate that curl back up. Even a nasty flush here down to 632s-ish. I'm watching APDN closely too. And then also HPCO kind of turning around a little bit. HPCO. Very low volume here on Peggy still. Keep pumping Peggy. Locate fees are getting pricey longs. Added on that pullback there. Trying to get that super low ad. There we go. Now, all the way, all the way, all the way. Take us all the way to 7. Take me all the way to 7. All the way to freaking 7, Peggy. You pissed me off the last 2 or 3 days, but guess what? I don't give up with you. No, 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 no. Please, I'm sorry. I take it back. I take it back. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have talked to you like that, Aunt Peggy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. Please be nice to me. Please be nice to me, Aunt. Please be nice to me, Aunt. Please be nice to me, Aunt. Please, please, please. I'm sorry. Do you forgive me? Bro, this is insane. I am in with a very nice cost basis, but I cannot get this stock to squeeze. And I'm getting a little anxious about it. I'm out of that trade. I was up $400 and I could not get Peggy to rise, man. I mean, maybe 625. It sniped of a real bottom, but I think this to me looked like an attempt to break out. I mean, look at this. That to me looked like an attempt to break out. FNGR going a little bit. I mean, to me, this looked like it should have ripped right there. That's why I got a little iffy. I tell you guys, I'm not gonna bag hold something if I'm not getting the trade that I want, right? And I wanted that stock to rip out of there, and it wasn't. So I got a little scared, descaled. You know, $20 loss. I was up 400 on it, but look at this. It's not going. Now, if it decides to go again later on, like it did yesterday, I'm gonna be like, I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. How much does it cost for my cords? It's $300 if you use the 150 off discount. So Peggy's still on watch. I'm gonna adjust this downtrend. There was a tighter one that I think I should have gone out of, but didn't. But I'm gonna adjust it here. See if we get out of this downtrend. See if we get over 650 and hold 650, and then look for the next move on Peggy. If this ends up going after that, I'm gonna be pretty upset. Zach is still holding Peggy. Okay. See, every little pop just gets eaten up a little bit. So APDN is the one over 2.3. I'm looking at 238. APDN. So keep an eye on that one. Ow, my ankle. Juan and Peggy headed to divorce court before the day is over. For real, man. Oh no, don't tell me you're gonna go now. See if we want to bounce still. Took an ad there. Let's see if we want to ignite this squeeze on Peggy. Peggy doesn't like me and I don't like her, but we're trying to figure something out. We're trying to work it out. We're just trying to work it out. Now, yesterday, the time that Peggy went, it was like this, and then I don't know where, boom, exploded. So, maybe we can do that again. Made my money back, but not what I wanted. APDN, though. APDN picking its head over 2.3. 238 high on APDN. If we start holding 2.3 on this one, I will be interested on this one. 2.3, 2.3, 2.3 on APDN. Scaling in small share size on which one? On Peggy as well, looking to add more around pre-market highs. FNGR kind of pulled up, and then to me it looks like it's actually trying to hold that retest of the big old downtrend, so we'll see. Believe in yourself is holding Peggy. Awesome. Keep believing, man. Keep believing. You got it. SPY trying to bounce. Not really quite. I'm slapping 625 if we get it on Peggy. I think we tried going a couple times. So I'd be careful, guys. But, I mean, it's still low volume, so I might too. But, oh, now it wants to get a nice pop again. Now it wants to get a nice pop. If this starts opening up 687, then $7. APDN again at 2.3 still. A little bit of lower volume on that one. Little bear trap is it? On this one, you think? It just cannot break out of here. Yeah, I'd be careful. FNGR is the one that kind of pulled back, and then IMUX actually trying to make a little curl. So keeping those on watch, and HPCO actually held it too. HPCO is still holding kind of pre-market lows there. APDN guys, APDN. Looking at 238. I don't really want to chase it, so I want to pull back to 2.3 or something on this one. But 238 is all-time highs, or not all-time highs, recent highs on this one. So I could expect shorts to be at 238 or maybe get a squeeze up to 238 and then past it. So let's see if we get up to 238, and then actually if we get past that, maybe I might start taking some ads on this one here. Let's see if we get that push through here. If it drops down a little bit more, I'll add more on this one. I saw a bunch of buyers come in there real quick, so I'm adding a little more. Let's see if we get a new high animation on this one. And then let's see if we get this one to squeeze. Look at all those buy orders still coming in. You can tell I got a little heavy up here. I think this one's going to break, so I added heavier. I added a lot heavier on this one. I'm in with 9,000 shares. Okay, took almost half of it out. But I'm looking for the big pop here, big squeeze. See if we take up to 250. Got the new high of day so far, but not a true squeeze yet. I still have 4,000 shares left here. 240. I'm looking for 240 to crack. No crack there. Try it again. No. Try it again. 3 seconds left here. Oh, come on, man. I'm on a D scale here. Dang it. I have 2,500 shares left, but I was really looking for that squeeze there the first time. HPCO is still hanging out. HPCO break a downtrend. I took a 9,000 share position, so I was pretty confident here. Only made 70 bucks though, so did not get the trade that I wanted to. You could see sellers piled in right there, but I was saying 238 earlier. So I got the break of 238 by 2 pennies. No, I mean I was in a little earlier. I started averaging on this pullback here. Let's see if we get that retest of 2.3 though, and anticipate another high. So 2.3 retest. That was yesterday's pretty strong resistance. Or 2 days ago, strong resistance, 2.3. So looking at 2.3, God, I think I've messed up my ankle. Blair up 102. There you go, Blair. Now yesterday's loss doesn't look so bad, huh? I might start taking some ads on this one just to see if we get a pullback here and then anticipate the turnaround back up to high of day. Look at this low volume pullback here. I want to see 2.3 hold firm up. So even if it pulls slightly back to 2.3, I want to take another ad and add a little bigger on this one. I want to see buyers come in though. We did pretty good at pumping the stock up. Let's see if we get another high of 2.4 and maybe 2.5. Peggy, you know, Peggy's not even going anymore, so took another ad there down there on APDN. Now I'm looking for this thing to bounce up. 2.3 hold. If it flushes to 2.3, then that's okay. But I'm looking for 2.3 to start holding and popping back up. My fingers are absolutely freezing. Maybe that's why I fat finger a lot of trades. Enough with the bullshit. Enough with the bullshit. There we go. Start popping up. Start popping up. There we go. Nice ads down there. 5,000 shares here. I want to see the big squeeze. I want to see the big ad all the way up to 240 again. New high. Nope. It looks a little bit iffy. Taking a little bit out. 3,500 shares. Doesn't want to go. Wall at 232. Peggy trying to open up. This actually might flush through me here. 2.3 here again. Let's see if buyers step in at 2.3 again. Maybe scoop some more shares up. Maybe stop them right here. I'm going to actually Does anybody want to buy APDN? I'm gonna actually. I was gonna say I'm actually gonna add a little more again, but I didn't. Peggy looks like a tried and flush. Peggy's done. I want a divorce. I want a divorce. So here is a pivot. This is a pivot on APDN. Look at that pivot from 2-3 even earlier and from 2 days ago. So I want 2-3 to start holding. I want this 2-3 to start firming up on. Come on, come on, come on. Pop up 5,000 shares. I can't read comments right now, sorry. This thing needs to pop up and make a nice squeeze all the way up to 240. 5,000 shares with 30 cents there. That's pretty good profit if I get this thing to pop up. And still, if I keep some runners up to 250, let's see. You know, there's no volume here. Nobody's selling, but buyers aren't coming in. Come on, APDN. 240 is high. I don't like this huge stall out. Okay, right here. This wall's got to break right there. This is the wall that's got to break right there. 12 order. There we go. A little bit break there. Starts popping up. Nice, 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 nice. Keep rising. There we go. There we go. Keep rising, keep rising, keep rising. New high of day. New high of day, and looking up to see if we get up to 250. I'm going to take some out just to be safe, take my profit. 3,500 shares left, looking for 238 to break. That was the previous high of day before the 240, so 238 might still have some resistance, but I'm looking to break 238, 240, and then see if we get a nice squeeze all the way up to 250. Here we go, here we go, here we go. 3,500 shares left, 44 orders on the ask there, 72 orders there at 238, 58 orders there, 57, 60s, not cracking, not cracking, not cracking, not cracking, crack, crack. Oh, Peggy did me dirty. Come on, APDN. Make up for it. What the heck, man? 238. Break. There we go. New high of day. 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 I'm being so patient to hold most of my shares right here. 241, 243. Can we go up to 250? Can we go to 250? 3,000 shares left, 2,500 shares left, 2,000 shares left. I'm descaling because it's failing on me. You piece of turd, man. I'm going to stop out fully. Do y'all get tired of my little dances every time I make some money? Easy money, Mercer. You're right. Easy money. You guys want to listen? Jam out with me? Oh, wait. I can't hear anymore. Dude, can people trade with a controller? Bro. Can you imagine people trading with a controller? That'd be awesome. Don't tell me APDN is going up to 250 like I intended it to. This is how Juancito pays for his staff to carve for his state while he trades. Dang, FNGR is the one that I was looking at, and I said that big downtrend, and I thought it was retesting it, but in the middle of the trade, and that thing did retest to 825 and then shot up to 867. People trade with stream decks. That's awesome. All right, back to comments. What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Good morning, Rome C. Kevin Ossett. The market will be slow today. 100% institutions not buying on PPI results. They go to regular market on days for PPI. Institutions make stocks move. Retail traders like us. SCPH looking good. I have not taken a look at that one. Tamimi, I don't have a good feeling about today so far. FNGR is still doing its thing. FNGR is the one that ripped pretty nice. 125 watching, but only 19 likes. There we go, guys. Hit the 9. Nobody even liked after that comment. Come on, help me out, guys. You guys just saw me take a trade. I'm sure some of you guys might have even taken that same trade. So please hit the like button. Please hit the subscribe button if you're on YouTube. For new guys watching, Nice trade. J Hart, I keep forgetting to update my YouTube bio, and you're the one that told me. I don't forget that. I don't forget. I need to, man. Dude, guys, when I'm done trading, I'm doing so much stuff that I just honestly forget, man. I'm sorry. Um, it is chingon, bro. How long have you been trading? New subscriber here. It is chingon, bro. Rafa, I liked it, bro. I'm shorting. That's right. I use a stream deck to trade. I use DAS, but oh, that's awesome, man. Peggy coming back up a little bit. So actually, on that Peggy initial trade, I was up $400, and I took negative $20. I was looking for the big squeeze. So this one, $17, and then I went back to APDN and made $456. So Juan, what's the best indicator? I mean, if you're gonna go by indicators, I don't base the trade off an indicator, but I think everybody has to have VWAP on their charts. On their charts. Do I trade? Do I take trades because of VWAP? Sometimes. Do I take trades strictly off of VWAP all the time? No. Oh, guess what? On you POS, guess what? What ape trades? You're a max loss. Same as usual. I'm kidding. ATXG has potential. APDN honestly has potential to 250, but I don't know that this one's going to get a big squeeze after 250. You know, it's got room. Right here, look, 250, APDN. 249. It's Wednesday, you're green. That's right. How much are you green today? I saw you made 100. There goes Peggy. Peggy looking for a new high of day. Don't let it get stuffed, but let's see if we continue this. 30 seconds left here. Looking for that. Looking for break of 7. Looking for, I mean, I'm going to add just for the break of 7. There we go. I'm in a halt. You got to be kidding. Oh, no halt. No halt. Fake halt. Now it's definitely going to halt. I'm in a halt, bro. I'm in a freaking halt. I'm in a freaking halt. I'm stuck in a halt with a cost basis of 7. No, I think this one looks good. I think this one for sure goes up a little higher. But this is what happens when you get a lot of shorts in this stock. You know, this thing got so stuffed through here where I thought I had the next leg. It got stuffed right here, and somebody, like I said, somebody yesterday is accumulating Peggy. Maybe they're doing it today again. Phew, 500 shares into a halt. Shades is in the halt too. Crypto's in the halt too. You longs making me sick. Why, Swell Granny? Why is that, bro? Believe in yourself was in Peggy this whole time, right? Believe in yourself on TikTok. Are you... Bro, I haven't seen Jofi in a long time. Yeah, I think shorts are really feeling the pain of Peggy right now. So, you good, man. It will resume 7:30 and cash out. Are halts likelier in bear markets because SCE is understuffed and can only pay attention to a few ripping stocks? I don't think so. If anything, in a hot market, you get a lot of halts because you get buyers everywhere, and every time you get a nice little squeeze, like here, this thing could have halted there. This thing after this fly could have just instantly halted, you know. But Juan and Peggy now gonna work things out. Dalton Jones on YouTube also in a halt and halt at 654 cost basis. That's way better than me. Nice. I hope you. I don't care how many shares you have, but that is a nice trade, Shades. Fry Rig Live on TikTok is in the halt. Believe in Yourself is in the halt. Man, we got a lot of people in this halt here. Halted at 56:03, so resumption will be at 9:01:03, I believe. Lang, I had a 625 cost basis and got stopped out. Dang it, 625. Did you buy it over here and stopped out here? Or did you buy it here and just kind of stopped? Chicago Sid jumped in that Peggy halt right at the halt. I think at least we get a pop. I think. All right. Here's what I think is gonna happen. Here's what I think is gonna happen. Two things. Either opens dips down to $7 right here and rips, or this is going to be one of those halts where it actually resumes 730-ish, 725-ish, 720-ish, and then instantly pops up to 750. You have a limit order to sell 722, okay? My cost base on pay is $7. 702. Oh, dang, that sucks, right? The lightning. That sucks, man. Sorry about that. Thank you guys for hitting the like button. If you haven't hitting the like button, please hit the like button on YouTube. We went from 19 to 33, so I appreciate you guys. Appreciate all of that, guys. If you guys are new to my stream, make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you subscribe. I do this every single day, and I've done this every single day for the last 10 days now because I'm 10 days green with, today I'm up. I almost jumped in on this trade actually at right before highs, but I didn't. I was kind of. How did I put two arrows? I was kind of scared it was going to actually flush real quick, and I got scared. Does anybody know resumption time? 200 to get 1,000 shorts on Peggy at trade zero. Oof, it'll rip. Oh, that's right, Raphael. That's right. So looking at the price is gonna take to short. Raphael's saying pretty pricey. So this thing might go. Actually, APDN kind of pivot that 238 again. Hasn't pulled down and touched it. Let me do this though. Select 100 shares and keep my fingers. We got about a minute left out here. CCNC 5-minute setup. Have not seen it. 10:01 is resumption. Yeah, that's what I thought to Mimi. Thank you though. Thank you. Thank you. Do you know what resumption price is? Fingers crossed for you guys on the halt to make that moolah, and then you come in, Raphael. And then you come in. So we got about exactly 30 seconds here. Chicago said 40 seconds. Where are you longs taking profits at? I don't know. I'm gonna take profits at $8. I'm not in very big. I might look to make another $50 if this rips 10, 20 cents, but probably $100. If this rips $7.50, $8, then that might be $200, $300 winner. But let's see. We got 5 seconds, 3 seconds. Hands on the button to sell 100 or sell full. There, next leg up. There, sold a little bit. Next leg up. Look at that dip to 7. Look at that dip to 7. Look at that dip to 7 holding. Look up dip of 7 holding. And then watch the buy orders come in and rip it. I am an absolute wizard. I am literally a freaking wizard. Soy un chingón. I'm going to get out of that. Guys, I said dip to 7. I marked the line, $7, and then rip to 750. I marked the line, 750. Dude. Am I real? Do I feel pain? Andres, $649 green today. Let me see. You might actually be in more profit than me. I took that trade very small. That was a risky trade, so I definitely jumped in small. But let's see. Let's see how my freaking trade review is looking recently, guys. This is insane. October is insane so far. Actually, I mean decent profits, but consistency is out the wazoo, man. Look at this, guys. Up $581 today, 268 yesterday, 750 Monday, 859 Friday, 500 Thursday, 750 Wednesday, 660 Tuesday. Do I keep going back? 700 Monday, 500 Friday, 1,000 Thursday. Oh, a red day of $300. But 700 Tuesday, 200 Monday, 100 Friday. Oh my God. APDN broke 250 and pulling back. Bro, I'm hacking, dude. I might be, dude. I might be hacking, dude. Christmas is looking good over there. Hey, good job, John. Consistently, too. Consistent hitting the same profits. Awesome, awesome. Peggy, Peggy's still looking for another high. Squeeze through that 750, but, this is risky now here, so I'm going to let this one go. Um, and, I mean, today, Peggy ripped for sure. I could have done a little better on this one. Maybe jumped in earlier. Maybe jumped in bigger share size. Maybe taken that $7 dip. But that's a risky trade. If that thing does not hold 7 there, that's gonna flush real hard and hold down. But I mean, APDN, $500 on this move here, and then what? Oh, there's a 238 bounce. Look at that. I was saying 238 bounce. I missed this. Dang it, I was saying 238 bounds and look at this. Also kind of a tiny downtrend here. APDN also not done. HBCO still under that, oh my god, FNGR completely jumped off a cliff. HBCO still at a big downtrend on the whole day right here on HBCO. So keep an eye on this one. If you break out of this downtrend, start holding VWAP, this might get a next leg up. APDN maybe holding that 238, but this one needs a little bit of a nicer pullback. If you get another nice pullback down here, maybe pulls down to the ADMA VWAP on this one with low volume, then you can have another go at it. But Rafiki, what's up, man? The app Thinkorswim. Gotta love those days when the market seems easy. How long did it take you to learn trading? 2 or 3 years I've been trading. My shirt is backwards. No, it's not. HPCO trying to poke its head out of that downtrend. Check IMUX 5-minute chart. I don't expect a Lucy shot on alert. What the heck? Lucy? Lucy 358 high on this one. Lucy not looking bad. We need a little more volume on this one, but anywhere above, what is this? 324 on Lucy, and I am in. APDN, it's still holding this 238. What's up, Rafiki? Do we get a 5-minute flag on Peg it to 687? Oh, actually, that's not bad. Right now it's trying to use 7 as a 5-minute flag. Do we have any short getting back in on Peggy? Yeah, that's also true. But that's how you get a second leg up. A second nice squeeze up. What kind of level was $7 on Peggy, if you don't mind? Just a whole dollar. Whole dollar number 7. You had Lucy as a sleeper. Are you? Oh, APDN finally going again. APDN looking for higher days. APDN looking for high days. See if we get past this 250 and create that 252 new high. Looking for the high of day here on APDN. See if we get a new high. Candle's about to close here. Closing, holding 250. Holding 250 on APDN. Let's see if we get that next leg up on APDN. There it is. Taking profits out. 1,000 shares left. Looking for the bigger squeeze on this one now that we're coming back up to it. 255 break. 186 order there. 163, 166. I restacked a little bit, so I'm gonna. That was a very delayed. Sell. Thinkorswim. Get the next leg up, maybe. This is holding. There's a lot of buyers. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Next leg up. There we go. 256. Selling there. I actually want to just get out of $500. Okay, so $500 profit now on APDN. I think I added 50 bucks there. But these are the ones, I'm so good at these tiny little dip trades, little buys. But it's just so risky to take these things with 5, 10,000 shares, So it's that first one here that this was a perfect dip, right here. I even increased share size a little bit, just wasn't so volatile, but looking for that extension, and I got out like here, still left another 5, 10 cents on the table. What's up, Angel? What is the best advice you have for trading? Focus on the skill and not the money. When you're first learning to day trade, don't look to make a certain amount of money a day. Just IMUX. Who just set the IMUX flag? Somebody said IMUX flag. Well, I don't know where the flag is. Maybe this pullback here, 1 minute flag, but that thing just ripped. Focus on the skill, learn to be profitable, learn to make money, learn to read the stock, learn to read charts, price, and then you start, okay, now I want $50 a day, $10 a day, $100 a day, and eventually you don't even want to aim for a target of number. That's something I tell a lot of people to not look at. I don't have a goal of mine every single day, because my goal today was to make $1,000 on the day, and I'm sitting at $890. I could very well try to just get that extra little bit of money to get to 1,000, but that's when you start giving profits back, and then you want to get that back, and then you lose more, and then you want to get that back, and then you lose more. So yeah, I don't suggest you doing that. So you wait to hit highs, then you enter to sell. On that play, yeah. Yes, I do have a course to teach you guys this, and then with the course you get my full help for anything you have. Any questions you have, if you want me to review your trades or anything like that. If you want my course, it's the link in the bio, and you gotta type in 150 off at checkout to get $150 off, and that'll bring it down. What was your last two days, the Awakened one? Juan, you have two strategies you work with now: flags and still trading breakouts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good job, Ape Trades. Um, Peggy, Peggy could still. You got a little downtrend here. I don't like the volume. Look at this. I don't like that 1 minute volume. The higher we go, the lower the volume goes. So I don't like that. How much did I make today? I'm probably sitting a little bit over $600 now. And it's been 30 minutes. Oh, yeah, the Awakened one. Yeah, definitely don't suggest you having a daily goal. That happened to me a lot of the times, and so I had to get rid of it. And man, is the market gonna have a green day? No problem, brother. That's a good idea. Once you feel good with where I am at, size way down, just practice too. But the red trade is a good idea. Thanks for sharing that. John calling out AGFI. AGFI. Peggy's still under highs, but look at that volume. I'd rather see a lot more buyers come in on this one than slowly grinding up with low volume. I don't like that. But we still have not retested at 687 on Peggy. See, if I have to take a guess now on Peggy, this thing either... Oh, I was going to say, this thing either tries to break out and this time it actually flushes. 37 likes on YouTube. Thank you, guys. Thank you. FNGR completely halted down. Yeah, completely failed. APDN still looking okay. APDN, that first 238 was money, and I missed that one, so I should have been a little bit more aware on that one. Shorts got in at 750 on Peggy. Yep. Am I making a living off day trading? Yes, I am up $600 in 30 minutes. I think that's enough to live off of. For the first time ever trading, how much should I put? You can trade with fake money. You can trade with fake money. You can do exactly what I do every single day with fake money. So I'd suggest you start there, and then you add, add a couple $100, $100, $200. Try it out like that with small share size, and then increase your money, and then you go up from there. IMUX still looking good. So I think I'm up over $600 now. So it's currently up $550, but now I am up $625. Alexandria, yes. Look up PDT rule. Look up PDT rule. Peggy actually did not flush. Peggy is actually forming a little bit of a flag right here. But again, low volume. I don't feel good on a breakout on this one. Pennant wedge, yeah, whatever you call it. So Alexandria, you need 25,000 to trade unlimited, but there's a thing called cash account, and then you can trade a lot every day. You just have to be following some rules, and that's definitely the way I suggested, following a cash account with less than that. I do not use leverage. My average of daily profits for the last year is like $750 average. It is $746 with 49 cents. That's my average on the day. What I usually make. Hold on, have you paid any bills with your trading money yet? What do you mean? Peggy, Peggy makes me a little scared now. Man, APDN is still going. I wish I was holding some of this thing. That's insane. No, I haven't withdrawn profits to pay bills yet. No, I haven't had to do that. So many personal questions. Wait to say, are you still on APDN or anybody still on APDN? Man, I wish, first of all, how do Zach, how do you do it, man? Diamond hand people, how do you guys do it? 5,000 shares here, fully out there. Why did I do that? And then I missed this pivot here again, and then worked like a charm. Left a lot of money on the table on APDN, guys. Even if, I mean, I was never gonna hold 5,000 shares to that whole move, but 2.3 to 2.7, that's 40 cents. You got out 237. Oh, on this one right here. Yes, you can have a cash account on TD Ameritrade. It's you either can call them or go online and tell them to switch it to a cash account. Love this guy, appreciate it, man. Love you too. Ave 350C. Are you in any platform that we can copy your trades automatically? No. Three bod YouTube. No, it's not available. HPCO, also HPCO kind of setting a little bit of a wedge, as Langston would call it. Lil Dipperuski Langston. HPCO, where's the stupid stock? Right here. So kind of like this, kind of forming a wedge, see what happens on that one. Um, man, APDN is just flying. APDN is finally just flying, you know. Next daily resistance on this one is 295, almost $3. So you might get another trade on this one up to 3, but if it wants to do that, it's got to get into a very nice motion where either just goes almost parabolic up to 3 or just gets right under 3 and then pulls back down. That's what I would be looking for on this one. How long did I until I became a pro? If you take trading seriously and you put in 5, 6, 8 months of straight learning and researching and like every single day, I mean, I was profitable in the first 2 or 3 months. I'm not saying I started making $2,000 a week in the first 2 months, but I started making money consistently. I want to text me buy and sell in every trades. In the past few days of watching your stream, you're excellent at catching bounce plays. Don't sweat the fact that you might have made more. It may cloud your judgment in the future. Yeah, I think Chicago said. I think and that's not something that I was an expert at. I was only a breakout trader. Like all of last year was nothing but breakouts. Why don't you think about trading in any platform? Let others copy your trades and get percentage. That it's first of all, that's just no. I can't do that, man. That's calling for jail right there. um, Chicago said, I used to be only a breakout trader, only. But but this year, and not even this year, like the last 2 or 3 months, I started, like breakouts were failing. I started just looking at dip trades, and I started looking at them now and trading them. At first, it was like, I see them, okay. Am I going to trade them? No. And then next time I see them, small share size, got it. Now it's like, I see them, I want to trade them, I attack them, and I play them. But my next goal and what I've had the hardest time is scaling up. You know, it's so easy to not say it's so easy to make money, but for me, it's at 73% chance I'm good on the day. But something about scaling up is still hard. Something about slamming 10, 20, 30K shares at a position, it just makes it scary. At that point, it's like if I get a 10-cent loss real quick, 15, 20-cent drop, that's two, three, $4,000 real quick, and I know I can handle it, but I'm trying slowly but surely to get up there. What are my top rules for dip trades? Hmm, I don't know. See buyers in there. Uh, tape holding up, level 2 stacked on the bid side, maybe. Pivot there. I do like IMUX actually. IMUX pulling back with a very low volume here. I don't know if IMUX got another leg on it today. APDN finally forming a red candle up there. Didn't quite get stuffed, but APDN, I would not be surprised if APDN keeps kind of grinding its way up to $3. Lace back to life. Screw Lace. Just kidding. Let me look at it. Oh my gosh, Lace back to life. I do see Lace. Lace over $3. I'm very interested. IMUX. I do like this pivot here. Oh, actually, pulling back there to the ADMA. Oh, I pulled back way too much, man. No, ape trades. Dang it. You're not kidding? APDN, to me, still APDN. Flagging, low volume on this one. Where's our pivot? 250 is way down there. I don't know that I want 250. Let me see on the daily. Raphael said he's shorting IMUX. Stay away. Oh, well, then you got that move, Raphael. Wait, it's Raphael? Raphael? Am I positive for the day? Yes, yes, yes. I am positive on the day. APDN still does not look bad. This stock might actually keep going to $3, so I'm looking to see if I get Some dip buys. Lay's actually really is popping up. Lay's really popping up. We got a high of 3.3 on that one yesterday, but over $3 you can look at 3.15 area. 3.15 had a lot of shorts there, and then over 3.15 maybe 3.30. And Peggy, how's Peggy still up here? APDN VWAP touch, no. I would not let that one drop that much. VWAP is way down here at 245. Before 245, I'd take 250, but honestly, anywhere up here, I'd be looking to take an ad. Maybe kind of a double bottom of this one, but I have to see how it starts acting. I think APDN might have another leg. It's kind of a little more extended, but I can't believe Peggy hasn't come down to 690s. This is Thinkorswim. What is my trade volume for each stock? It depends. 2.5 shares, K shares. Today I had one trade with 9,000 shares. You know, I started pushing size on that one. I was in with 9,000 shares, so I'm trying. I'm trying. Peggy, here we go. Oh, yeah, but that's like after a stuff, you know? I don't know. APDN, though. APDN. I never even looked at that one. Sorry, John. Lace, really close to $3. Lace popping up over $3. So Lace, I'm looking at 315. Okay, I gotta look at Lace now. 330 is high on Lace. Look at this stock ripping. So my main levels to watch is this 309 and 316. Even down to, oh, we're holding 3 right there. If I get a flag here under 3, I might take that one. Although 5-minute candle is getting stuffed, but this is the first 1-minute candle of this 5-minute time frame. This is really nice, healthy volume on Lace though, for sure. Watching Lace carefully here. APDN still down to like 2. Actually, Peggy completely turned around. Oh my gosh, I hate when they all do this at the same time. Peggy actually might squeeze to a high. Remember when I tell you when you get a nasty flush to the downside and it just reverses, a lot of shorts got in there, and because they got in there and it's working against them right away, they're gonna back away. Lace actually looks pretty good still. 309, 316 levels. APDN down to 260s ish. You have to see how it reacts down there, but could be good. Yeah, maybe Peggy breaking downtrend on the 5. Lace, what is 281 on this one? Rafael's heading out. My job is done. See you tomorrow. I need to go work now. Awesome, Rafael. You have a good one, man. Still watching. Still mostly. I don't really want to take a breakout trade on Peggy, but I'm still mostly watching Lace to see if I get a nice little dip, or APDN down to 260s. APDN kind of stalling, so I'd be careful with this one. I might think this one is just literally going to flush hard, but if it kind of flushes, holds it, then you might get that quick reversal. Lace looking for a pullback here, a nice flag. I don't like that 5-minute top until under $3. My moving averages is the 9, the 20, and that's it. 9 and 20. Lace, lace pull back here, maybe an ad. Lace, getting ready to see if we can get a little bit of ads here. I want to see buyers stepping on lace here. I might add a little bit here, see if it starts popping up over 3 again. I want to see this pop over 3. There's $3 right there. I want to see the pop over 3 though. We're going to need a lot of buyers to get over 3. I want to get out of that trade. Make $20 there, but let's see if we catch another lower ad. Unless we pop right over 3. But I'm looking for this one to go up 3.9, 3.16, and then see if we get a new high on this one. This is the last 1 minute candle on this time frame, on the 5 minute time frame. So let's see. SPY is straight up going sideways. How's everybody doing today? Green, red, break even, no trades. Oh, come on, let me see it. Let me see. How's everybody doing? I want to see how you guys are doing. YouTube, Tradecaster, TikTok, Robin He, no trades. Okay. Rafiki's green, Lang small red. All right, something you can work with. Kajala red, AAJ $200. Blair 110 green, green and 1 trade for Tamimi. No trades for Ezam Mawali. I'm still liking lace here. If I get a nasty little, like a small little flush down to 290s, I might take the ad there. Look at these 2 red candles have no volume. Oh, APDN flush. Oh, exactly what I said. APDN is just going to pop up down straight up and flush. Lace is now my top watch. 10K seller at 3 on lace. Yeah. See, how do you see that? Because I see 49. That's 5,000 shares. Small green for Fry on TikTok. $5 for Alex Smith. 21 cents for Malu. Hey, you're green, man. You're green. You're not losing money. Nothing I've been watching that been getting good follow through. Too many trades. Barely green. Corey, okay. Rob S flat. Break even for Jono. Still looking at lace, though. Still looking at lace. 5 minutes is a little bit iffy to me, but we're trying to find a dip trade on this one. AGFI still for John. AGFI had a nice pre-market hold, John. Did you take the trades on that one? HBCO double bottom at 322. I do also see that. Did you get in on that one, Rosendo? Oh, there goes lace over 3. If this candle gets stuffed, lace will not hit a high. If this thing starts ripping, then we might be looking at highs. Maybe dip of 3 is tiny ad, but see, these are the ones I can't take big share size. Too risky. This thing could easily flush like APDN. Small green, okay. 120 profit from Peggy. Nice, nice, nice. You're getting in some SPY calls right now? Okay. Here's $3 holding as support. Low volume candle, but I'm not trusting this right here. HPCO did have a nice pull up. HPCO still has that super obvious downtrend on the 1 minute, 5 minutes from all day today. So look for that and see if you get a retest of that on HPCO. Candle here on lace about to close over $3. That'll be a good thing, but Blair's going to call it for the day. Thanks for the stream, Han. Awesome, Blair. How much did you make in your first year of trading? I made good money. Towards the end of the year, I really stepped it up. Here goes lace. 309, 316. Can I click the grid? Like the flexible grid? I use flexible grid. Like you go here and then you click customize grid and then it pops it up. So I have my 1 minute, my 5 minute, my daily, active trader, level 2, I mean time and sales, and level 2. Is that what you were asking for? Slow day, but still green, so happy so far. Happy so far. HBCO is still top watch, looking for this break of downtrend all day long, but you know, this one I would not expect a lot. Peggy, to me, I thought shorts were in it at 750, but it's still holding, so this could put in another leg. That daily chart's looking pretty good. I got so many lines on this thing. Look at this. Peggy and I have had a love-hate relationship. Today, we're cool. Today, we're not fighting. Today, we got off to a bad start. Woke up rough in the morning. Had a little fight with each other. I was up $400 on the trade, and she came back and stole it all completely, all of it, took it, all my money. But then I came back and said, no, that's my money. I took it back, got $124 back. But you know, you never get it all back. Women always win. So they took most of the profit. They took $300 off of my 400, so I'm only up 124. But APDN, my homie over here, $500 profit. APDN, we get over that 261 again. Could be some further trades on this one. I would not be surprised if APDN keeps grinding up to $3. Only concern on APDN is the biggest trend line on the day has been cracked, which is why that flush happened. Hold on, we are doing a roundtable discussion on Zoom. If you would like to join, I am sending you the link now. Oh. Still trading, but I can hop in there maybe for a little bit. Damn, but I'd have to stop the stream. APDN, a little bit of a push back up again. We have a little downtrend here on APDN. Let's see if we get out of this downtrend. APDN, big ol' spike, 275. Looking for 275 crack on APDN. Hold on, Deckmar trades. Hold on, Deckmar trades. I'm still trading. Looking for high days on this one. 20 seconds left on this candle. I might add really small share size here. See if we get that 275 break. Really small share size because this thing still has 15 seconds left to close. If it starts holding here in the last 15 seconds, gets a nice little micro pullback, I will add on this one for the high of day break. Let's see, 7 seconds left. I think this is going to break. Add it a little more. Break the high of day and keep flying. Little pullback here. Add it twice with a little bit bigger share size now. Looking for the new high of day animation here. There it is. Breakout. There it is. Taking some out. 1,000 shares left. I want to see if this one pulls away. 273 cost basis. So stop in place and let's see if this one wants to pull away. $20 seconds left here. We're gonna get stuffed at that 275, but if we, yeah, I got out. Dang it. We got a new high there. I think I added a little bit of profit. I was probably up 50-ish. There's 687 on Peggy. There's that dip we were looking for, but a little iffy there. You can't take that. I mean, maybe. Look at 687 holding up. AGFI. What did it do, John? Oh, gosh. Did you ever get in on this one, John? This is not coins. Got in 68. Nice. Nice, John. Nice. APDN still holding ish. Look at APDN. Another high on APDN. I don't really want to end the stream, guys. What do you guys think? Are we done trading? Should I go over to Dekmar's stream or not? The boss is calling, do it. Alright, hold on. I'll do it. You know, I'll take my profit. A little bit of a shorter stream today, guys. Oh no, Ape Traits. You jinxed it yourself, man. You jinxed it yourself, man. Alright, so let me see how much I am up on the day now. Last time I imported this, I was up 625, and now I am up 667. So 667 on the day now, profits. Are you headed to the country club for the rest of the afternoon? No. I actually kind of hurt my ankle, so it's been bothering me. AGFI is still going, John. Looking for $1 on AGFI. Wow. I don't know if I want to take a trade here to $1. I need $30 to get 700 on the day. You know, it just looks prettier. AGFI is straight up squeezing shorts. APDN also still going for it. John back to green, awesome. Ape Trades jinxed himself out, so now he's red on a Wednesday. That's his usual Wednesdays. Oh, Ape Trades. Bro, next Wednesday, if you get $5 green, you gotta walk away, bro. Looking at the $1 break on AGFI, you know, John called this one out early. I honestly didn't even see it, and if you look at the 5 minute, there was not a single pullback when it started taking off, so APDN breaking new highs. Let's see if this one wants to pull up to that $1 again. This is a low volume pullback here. Let's see if we can get some trades on AGFI. I might start my starter here and see if this thing bounces back up. Pretty aggressive pullback there, but still low volume-ish. I don't want to give a lot of profits back here. I'm looking for this pivot here to hold kind of double bottom there. Let's see if we hold this pivot and then get back up to $1. This is actually looking way heavier than I wanted to. Oh gosh. If it gives me a pop here, I'm gonna have to get out. Oh my gosh, I gave 100 back that fast. You know, that's my cue to end it. So I guess I will be ending stream there. That hurt. That might be my first red trade of the day though. Dang it, but that does sting. $565 on the day. Dang it. And watch, he's going to use this as a pivot here and turn around. And if it doesn't, then I'm happy, because then this thing is completely going to dump, and that's why I don't back hold losers, right? If that right there ends up falling down, then I made the right choice. If this bounces up, I'm going to be a little bit salty. Alright, guys, so I'm ending the day. I still think today was a slow day. I mean, $565. So it looks like I'm up like 1,500 on the week, which is not bad. It's so hard to make and easy to lose in the market. Yeah, you're right. Stay disciplined though. Somebody on TikTok said, so I'm giving profits back there. I know usually I don't quit after my first red trade. You know, I have red trades left and right sometimes. But $100 off the top there, and I'm not seeing a lot of action, and I am called to do something. So I think I'm gonna end. I am hoping to one day have slow days like you. You could have bought prime rib for lunch with that money. For real, dude. $100 out the door. All right, guys. So I'm gonna end it here. Ow, I really did something to my ankle. I just put my foot down and I instantly felt it. Alright, guys, I'm gonna call it for a day today. Hopefully tomorrow, obviously tomorrow I don't have anything to do, or called to do, so I'll be on a little longer tomorrow. But, you guys take care for the rest of the day. I don't want to leave now, but I gotta go to talk to the boss. But, nice trades, one. Have a great day. Thank you, Neil. No. Um, but what was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Slow day today-ish. Slow in the market. Good profits. I did the right thing cutting it there. Started getting heavy, so I got out of that trade. Who's the boss? Sean Dekmar. He's just the owner of the other platform I use. Just stream on. Man, I need to go to a chiropractor or my freaking... or get a massage or something. Alright, guys, I will post a recap later today when I got time to do it. Thank you for your value. Awesome. How long did it take you to learn how to trade? 6 to 8 months of research, and then I started trading with real money. Later, everybody. Brad Rogers up 394 today on Peggy in the sim. Have a good day, Juan. Good job, Bradley. The Trader, thanks, team. Awesome, guys. I'll post my recap today. So you guys later on, you guys go check it out. I'll see you guys tomorrow, and appreciate all of you guys being here consistently. So I'll see you guys, and y'all take care.